Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening Chrome and clicking the profile icon at the top right. This immediately surfaces account options. Sign in with your Google email and password and complete any two-step verification prompts if required. Make sure Chrome is up to date so sync features behave predictably. Once signed in, you'll see your profile with an option to turn on sync. Go ahead and click that to begin transferring bookmarks, history, and settings to your Google account. Once sync is enabled, go to Settings, then You and Google, and open Sync to see detailed choices. You can pick Sync Everything to replicate all data across devices, or select Manage what you sync to include bookmarks, passwords, history, extensions, and more. Choosing specific data types gives you privacy control and reduces bandwidth. Make adjustments now and confirm that encryption settings match your preference, either Google's default or a custom sync passphrase for extra security. To finish, verify sync by visiting Chrome//sync internals or by checking another signed-in device. Your bookmarks and settings should appear. If sync stalls, try signing out of Chrome, clear cache, then sign back in and re-enable sync. If you used a custom passphrase and data won't decrypt, enter the exact passphrase or reset sync from your Google account. Note that resetting may erase synced data stored on Google. Keep your credentials and passphrase handy to resolve common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.